I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You have Gemini installed and you're ready. Now map the Home button. First, open Settings and navigate to Buttons or Accessibility. This is where the Home key behavior lives. Once there, locate the option for Home button shortcuts and enable it. Make sure the device is unlocked and awake. Then choose the press type you prefer: single, double, or long press. Assign a temporary action so you can test the binding before pointing it to Gemini. This saves time and avoids accidental resets. Now you assign Gemini as the target. Tap the Home button action you enabled and pick apps from the available actions, then select Gemini. You should see a confirmation prompt. Accept it because it links the system's shortcut to the app. Once set, test the chosen press pattern. Press the Home button exactly as configured. If Gemini opens, great. If not, re-enter the button settings and repeat the assignment step while watching for permission pop-ups. This ensures the system grants the shortcut permission. Finish by validating reliability. Lock the phone, unlock it, and use the Home button several times to ensure Gemini consistently opens. If it misses launches, check Gemini's app permissions. Allow launch at startup and accessibility access if present, because a denied permission often blocks shortcuts. If the system can't remap the Home button, install a reputable button remapper or use an accessibility shortcut as a workaround. One quick troubleshooting tip: reboot once after.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.